The iPad Pro has come a long way since it was first released in 2015. It has become a powerful and versatile device that is used by professionals and creative users alike. But what does the future hold for the iPad Pro? Here are some of the possible features that we could see in the next iPad Pro. A foldable display. This is one of the most rumored features for the next iPad Pro. A foldable display would allow the iPad Pro to be used as a traditional tablet or as a laptop. This would make it a more versatile device for both work and play. A mini LED display. Mini LED displays are already being used in some MacBook Pro models, and they could be coming to the iPad Pro in 2024. Mini LED displays offer better contrast and color accuracy than traditional LED displays. A portless design. Apple is rumored to be moving away from ports on its devices, and the iPad Pro could be next. A portless design would make the iPad Pro even more sleek and modern, but it would also mean that users would need to rely on wireless connections for everything. A new operating system. The iPad Pro is currently running iPad OS, which is based on iOS. But some rumors suggest that Apple could be working on a new operating system specifically for the iPad Pro. This new operating system could be more powerful and versatile, and it could take advantage of the iPad Pro's unique features. Of course, these are just some of the possible features that we could see in the next iPad Pro. It is still too early to say for sure what the final product will look like, but it is clear that Apple is planning to make some significant upgrades. The next iPad Pro is sure to be a powerful and versatile device that will appeal to a wide range of users. Conclusion. The future of the iPad Pro is bright. With its powerful hardware and versatile software, the iPad Pro is already a great device for work and play. But with the potential for even more powerful features in the future, the iPad Pro is only going to get better. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think.